Welcome to today's tutorial on how to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 11. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Settings. First, click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. Then, click on Settings. This will open the Settings window. Step 2. Navigate to Bluetooth Settings. In the Settings window, select Devices, then click on Bluetooth and Other Devices. Here you'll find all your Bluetooth settings. Step 3. Turn on Bluetooth. Next, toggle the switch to turn on Bluetooth. Your device will now start searching for available Bluetooth devices. Bluetooth is now enabled on your device. Step 4. Pair a new device. If you want to pair a new device, click on Add Device and follow the on-screen instructions. Select your device from the list and complete the pairing process. And that's it. You have successfully turned on Bluetooth on your Windows 11 device. Connect your favorite Bluetooth accessories and enjoy a seamless wireless experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.